Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Just a quick end of the day update. This looks more and more like a triangle. Now, the optimistic perspective would be that it's a wave 4 triangle and that it's going to break to the upside. Yeah, but it looks more and more like an Elliott Wave triangle. We already talked about that potential here in the last few days. Now, again, the overall chart is okay. It's not the best chart, but if you want to see a little bit more context, please check out my last video. This is just a quick middle of the day, or no, actually end of the day update. Wanted to share with you a possible micro wave count here. The idea would be that it could very much be, again, a triangle count. And a triangle is here A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. Now, this is very much speculation with this triangle. Until we see really a D wave complete and then maybe even another higher low in E and lower high in E, no, higher low in E, and then we only have the confirmation of the breakout if price can break above the B wave high, and that is at 79 cents. Only then we have a confirmation for a valid breakout. Until then, the triangle can extend out. And it could even break to the downside, which is possible as well. So that's why it's so important with triangles to wait for the breakout. And also the structure here, the ABCDE structure, on like a 1 hour time frame in a correction in a triangle, it doesn't really have any predictive qualities. So because you can count that triangle in both ways. It can easily break down as well, no problem. To give you an example, A, B, C, D, E, and price would break out to the opposite side of the E wave. What would be needed? Another lower high and another higher low first. But if we, as I said before, if we break below that support that we have, 65.9 cents, this is what is really important. What is important is not the sub-wave structure here of this triangle. What is important is to understand the relevant pivots, the breakout point. Now we have an upside breakout point then at the 79 cent level, and then we could get to 95 and maybe higher. But the pivot, the lower support, the bullish support is 65.9 cents. That is really the decision point between, okay, we can go higher in a fifth wave of a larger third wave and going lower in a larger degree fourth wave. Because if we break below 65.9 cents, we're going to drop most likely into the larger support area and then would have a chance to attempt another move up from 56.5 cents, because that would be the next bullish support. So that's the relevant pivot point. Nobody other than the market knows if it's going to go up or not. I think certainly these are, this is the area between these fib levels where we would expect sentiment to shift again back to the upside after a consolidation. And that's why we use the fib levels, because we know at which fib levels typically market sentiment shifts, but not always, of course, right? Just be aware of that. So just want to highlight here that the predictive qualities of this lower degree wave count are 0, because I can even give you, well, okay, they might give you a warning when before the breakout happens, because we need the D and the E wave. But it can also be the other way around, right? If we say we are already in the larger degree fourth wave here into the orange box, that would be an ABC structure in the wave 4. So A wave, B wave, C wave into this orange support area. And again, the B wave could then be the triangle. Yeah, there are various ways of how this can be counted, but we don't have enough waves for a triangle anyway. Just want to highlight to you that we are now moving into possibly into the apex here of a triangle as well. So we can draw here a bit of a trend line and converging trend lines. So let's see if we get a decision maybe tomorrow or so. Yeah, and again, to the upside, 95 cents would be resistance. And then we've got $1 and $2 and the 135 level, which is structural resistance. We talked about that in the previous video. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. Really just a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.